Thank you! Akala ko hindi matao yung ganung
That's Lolo Bernie.
Asan yung kay Lolo Bernie? Gusto mo ganito?
Maybe this one.
Silvanas?
Silvana?
O, give mo na si Lolo. Ano na siya?
Silvana, sa kukutsara mo ba?
Ba't parang dati malaki to? Ba't ngayon ang liit na?
Which one is you?
This one. O, give mo na brownie si
Which
Lolo.
one is Lolo? I
Which one
don't
is
know.
for Lolo?
I don't know which one is una.
Which one?
Chocolate mo kay Lolo.
O, papili mo si Lolo. Papili mo siya. Una, give mo na.
Wala ako? Wala.
Sabi ko, anong pasalubong mo kay Lolo?
Wala.
Donut daw. Donut because Lolo have no teeth daw. Tingin ko nga, baka may teeth naman yung Lolo mo.
When you walk there, you ask Lolo which one he likes. And then I'm gonna prepare your second bite.
Tapos si Tinong,
Okay.
hindi mo pa binigyan brownies.
Okay, hold this one. Ask Lolo which one he likes. I'm
May
gonna
sakin
prepare
kaya?
your second bite. Yeah.
This is
O, tell Lolo kung ano yung gusto
Parang
mo.
siya may gusto kumain.
Papiliin mo siya.
Ay,
Wow.
masarap. Ito? Masarap to. Delicious pa to. Na.
Oh, share it with Tinong.
Ang kinuha ata ni Dad yung gusto niya.
Ah,
Tampo
that's
yan,
for-
no?
Tampuyan yan yung gusto niya. Ah,
Sabi
that's
niya, this
no.
one is for me. Yun
Lolo
ang
is
gusto
giving
mo?
it for you.
Ah,
You
binibigay pala sa iyo eh. Go
Yeah,
get
he's
it
giving
na.
it to you.
Yung tampururot masyado.
See, that's for you.
Okay.
Ah.
Did you say thank you kay Lola?
not here.
Oh, thank you,
Hello.
thank you. Eh, ano to? Prepare ko pa.
Gusto niya yan. Eh, yung cupcake mo.
Wait,
Dito. Ba't gusto mo yan? Yan yung tinuturo niya dun kanina nga dun eh.
Dito ako sa ano? Baka sa chocolate chip. Dito ako sa rice cream.
Kasama niyo pala siya.
Dumaan sila dun ni Che, tapos ninanong ko kung sasama siya. Oo daw.
O, buti binigay.
Ang nakabutor si An-An.
There's daddy tatad na. Di mo yung pasalubong mo sa kanya. Ha?
Yan, tatan.
what is it?
Asan na yung crinkles?
Ito, Nino.
Kasama niyo? Hindi?
Cute.
Pakalagyan ng yelo. What's that?
Una.
That.
Did you ask Lolo which one is for Tinola later?
Grandma na. Where did it happen to buy?
What?
Yeah, but
Nasaan di taton what?
I'm not going to eat it.
What?
I'm not going to eat it when I put it.
What?
The part to price.
The?
To price.
The fries?
The price.
The surprise?
Yeah.
May nahanap siya.
Yung crinkles, ano mo nasa bungod lang, hindi niya makita.
Is this the surprise?
Yeah.
Oh, surprise. Ah, surprise. Thank you, my baby. Kiss mo na. Kiss mo na. Is this a surprise? I'm so happy. I love you. Ah. Kamusta po? Kamusta ta? Good. Ano kain mo? Ano kain mo? Ano?
Tinawag mo nga si Dan sa lalikod. Nakita niya may chicken. Pagkasok niya dyan school.
You want to cook the chicken? Huh? Oh, is that your video? Did you invite Kobe to eat the cupcake?
So,
Ah, you didn't invite Kobe? Why you didn't invite Kobe? Can I taste it?
Kain ka pa?
Let me see. Show it.
Sumabay ka sa kanila pa.
Oh. Hmm? Tabong! Only one lang. Tabong! Tabong! Okay. Energy more. Energy.
Si Una scrambled egg. Hindi niya kinakain yung yellow eh. Ay. Nakot na ba?
Not need to open this. Let's open it. Ay, how? Ikot? Yeah. Una, help me dali. Yeah. Oh? Show it. How to open? Tusok the lapis. Very good. No, okay na yan. One. And then you remove the foil. Yan. Ikot.
Oo.
You put your calap here. Like this. And then ikot. Okay. Not bad about you. Look.
Una yung eggy.